Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to install MySQL on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now I am going to download MySQL latest version. Open web browser. Go to google.com. Type here in Google search bar. Download MySQL for Windows. Press enter. Click on first link, download MySQL installer. Now our MySQL downloading page is open. Windows operating system is already selected. I am going to download Windows x86 32-bit MSI full installer. Click on download. Click no thanks, just start my download. Now the downloading is started. It is 428 MB software. Downloading is completed. Click show in folder. Here it is our MySQL installer. Right click on it, click install. Let's close web browser. Let's close downloads console. Choosing a setup type. I will choose custom. Click next. Select products. I'd choose up to the MySQL server. Expand applications. Select MySQL Workbench. Expand MySQL Shell. Select MySQL Shell. I am installing these three products. Click Next. Click Execute. Installation in process. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Use strong password encryption for authentication. Click Next. Set the root password. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next again. Click Execute. The installation and configuration for MySQL Server 8.0.33 was successful. Click on Finish. Click Next. Click on Finish. Welcome to MySQL Workbench. Click Local Instance. Type here root password. Click OK. Our MySQL Workbench is open. Let's close on it. Close MySQL Shell. Open File Explorer. Go to C drive. Open Program Files. Open MySQL folder. Open MySQL Server 8.0 folder. Open bin folder. Select and copy this path. Type here in search bar. Environment. Click Open. Click on Environment Variables. Let's double-click on Path under System Variables. Click New. Paste here in copied path. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Go to command prompt. Type here, MySQL, space, -- version. Press enter. As you can see on screen, our MySQL version 8.0.33. You have to run the following command. Whenever you need to work in MySQL, MySQL space -u, space root space -p. Press enter. Type root password, then press enter. Now our SQL Server is open. Type the following command, to show databases in SQL Server. Type show databases semicolon. Press enter. Now these are default databases on SQL Server. Now I am going to create new database. Type create database. Demo semicolon. Press enter. Type show databases semicolon. Press enter. As you can see, our new database demo is created. Type exit. Press enter. Type exit again, press enter. So viewers, in this video, you can learn how to install MySQL 8.0.33 on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.